We're back at the sunflower patch. They're about chest high now. We planted them May 1st. It's June 29th, so they're looking really, really good. Not too many weeds between the rows. A little bit of weeds up in some spots on the end rows, but they're looking good. Quite a bit of corn. But we got some that are starting to head and come out. They're all starting to head actually, but this one's trying to fulfill its color and come out, so they're all looking good. So yeah, can't wait till dove season comes. The weeds are kind of kept down. We didn't get to use Clearfield sunflowers this time. We did use mycogen, but they just didn't have the Clearfield label on them that we could spray them at the third or second leaf stage, so that's why we have so many weeds. But next year hopefully we can get the right seeds and we can spray Pursuit on them. So if they're Clearfield sunflowers, you can spray Pursuit or Raptor on them at the second leaf stage. So hopefully we'll be able to do that. But yeah, they all look pretty good. All got really good heads. Starting out, they're just right at chest high. So hopefully the doves will be coming in and see what happens this September. So it's a beautiful evening down here at the dove field. The skies are all blue, clouds. They do need a rain though. It's been pretty dry over here the past 2 weeks or weeks, so this is the weedy part here on the end of the rows. I don't know why, but I don't think we just got enough seed down here. Is probably why it's so weedy, but the middle looks pretty good though. We do make mistakes. So this is the first time planting them over here in Alney, and hopefully they turn out pretty good. We should have a pretty good setup. So next step will be to get our line set, and so they have a place to sit on and roost next. So that'll be in our next video. So can't wait to show you guys what I got planned for that. So stay tuned.